Come explore the Blue Water condos with me. With direct access to Lake Erie, who could ask for more? The development has so much to offer, including a community pool, tennis court, a private marina, and plenty of green space for entertaining family and friends. Let's take a look at 531 Blue Water in Marblehead, Ohio. One of my favorite features about where this particular condo is located within the development is you're steps away from your 30-foot boat dock. Can you imagine every morning waking up to this amazing view? It's ready to go with everything. Just bring your personal items and enjoy.